how to delete a TikTok video. So if you want to delete a TikTok video that you have posted, then what you need to do is first open up your TikTok application. Once you've opened your TikTok, now go for the profile, which is on the bottom right, and then you can choose any video that you would like to delete. So if you want to delete a random TikTok video, then what you need to do is simply select the video that you would like to delete. And once you're here, you need to simply choose any video that you're comfortable with. So I'll be choosing this one. And once you've chosen, if you want to delete, go for the bottom right, which has that three dots, and then swipe right and tap on delete, which is on the last option. Once you tap on delete, it says that you can restore it within 30 days from recently deleted in Activity Center. After that, it will be permanently deleted. So if you want to delete, tap on delete, and once you tap on delete, the video will be simply deleted. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.